Hello, I am Nahida and welcome to Innovin Foods. Today we are making a creamy and royal Suji dessert. Soft, sweet and rich in flavor. Let's start the recipe. First take 1/4 cup sugar, half cup water and 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder. Let it boil for 3 to 5 minutes to make sugar syrup. Cardamom is called the queen of spices for its royal aroma. Don't overboil sugar syrup, 3 to 5 minutes is perfect. Keep aside. Now in a pan boil 2 cups milk. Use warm milk for a smoother texture. This dessert is often served during festival and celebration. Add half cup suji or semolina. Suji has been used in Indian sweets for centuries. Stir well. Then add half cup sugar and few soaked saffron strands. Saffron is one of the most expensive spices in the world. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until thicken the mixture. Stir suji continuously to avoid lumps. Grease a mold with a little oil. Pour in the suji mixture and spread oil. Cool down completely. Now take half cup whipping cream. Beat until fluffy. Now spread the whipping cream over the cool suji mixture. Garnish with pistachios. Keep in the freeze for 30 minutes. Saffron. And now drizzle the sugar syrup. Chill the dessert before serving for best taste. Suji is rich in iron and energy. Milk gives calcium for strong bones. Pistachios provide healthy fats and proteins. Saffron has antioxidants that boost mood and health. Your soft and creamy suji dessert is ready, a perfect mix of tradition and elegance. Serve chilled and enjoy every bite. If you enjoyed this recipe, like and share with friends and subscribe to Innovin Foods. Tell us in the comments what's your favorite suji sweet.